Good morning. So it's a wet, rainy morning. Okay, I heard the weird noise too. I don't know what it was. What was that, huh? It's wet, it's rainy. This girl still needed to go on a walk and to go potty. Lucky for rain jackets for dogs. So, we just went around the part of the park real quick. Let them smell. When I get back, we're gonna start making some breakfast. We got a toaster oven. We were in town yesterday, so we bought some English muffins and some bagels, and it's gonna be amazing. Because normally speaking, we eat, well, Fred eats Pop-Tarts for breakfast, and I eat either Pop-Tarts or cereal. I don't know why we didn't get one sooner. It's gonna be fabulous. But surprisingly, it's not that cold out. So, debating, I put the awning out, and we might pull our chairs back out. Maybe eat outside in front of the lake. Haven't decided yet. What you do lagging behind? But even with poopy days like today, we always make the best of it, don't we? So it's 4 o'clock and we are just now getting out and about out of the camper. It's been cold and rainy all day, and the sun has finally come out, thank goodness. That's a whopping 56 degrees, which is pretty warm considering what it has been. We're driving up to town, which is Mackinac City. Gonna check things out. Maybe might go check out the bridge. There's a cool area underneath the bridge you can kind of park, and maybe you'll take some pictures of the girls, because I can never have enough pictures of them. After that, we might go find maybe a trail or two and go from there. So we're at our first stop. What are you doing back there? You're such a silly pup. We stopped at Starbucks because Starbucks, well, can't have a good day without Starbucks. Or a Big B, but there's no Big B up here. So Fred's running in, getting us some drinks, and we're just waiting in the car. You waiting for Daddy? Huh? You're such good girls. Such good girls. So we got our usual Starbucks. Hey, come here. And we got the girls' Starbucks. Hey, don't eat the lid. You want to help me here? Want to help me? Yep. Hey, Celine. What do we got? All right. Cups for the dogs. Oh my goodness.
Celine.
Oh my goodness.
You ready?
You ready? Oh, it's gonna be a mess. You ready?
Yeah.
Want to do it outside?
We'll give it a try. So
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
It's gonna be yummies. Hey, here's yours. Oh, look at that. Is that awesome sauce?
We got sharp tooth over there.
Oh, honey.
What? Is it getting all over my car?
Oh, maybe.
I got a clean one over here.
Gentle, slow.
There you go.
You're gonna look like you're frothing at the mouth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys are adorable. Here. Oh, look at the face. Look how nicely Jezebel's eating it.
No, look at that dinky girl over here.
I just
I'm like sharp tooth over there. Oh, I eat it all. I eat it all. And then I bite them.
Don't eat the cardboard. Oh my goodness. You're so crazy. Is that good? Is that the best thing ever? Is there anything left in there? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I hope this doesn't give them poopy problems.
Oh, that would be bad. Oh, we got it on our nose.
I didn't realize a pup cup was so big.
I didn't either.
I've heard great things about it. Could you lick it off your nose? Oh, you still got more in there, honey. Don't chew on it. What are you gonna do? Take it from me? There you go. Just lick. Just lick. Ah, nicely, Jezebel. Just lick. Oh. Hey. Oh, there's a little bit in there. Hey.
It's slobbering all over my arm.
That's real love right there. That's love. Oh, they love you. Hey, is it good? I hope you lick your nose off. I think this is about all you can get out of there, isn't there? You want to keep trying?
Okay.
Look at their nose.
Look at my
Oh, look at their noses. Oh my goodness. That's cute.
Is that good?
Here, we got another one. I think they liked it.
I think so.
Hey, you slobbered
I don't know if they're
everywhere.
normally free, but they didn't charge me for it.
No?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
So that's pretty nice of them. If it's normally a charge.
I have no idea.
Oh,
Oh, you're gonna be all sticky.
it's slobber.
You're such a good girl. You guys deserve that. Oh, are you choking? Oh. You probably ate it way too fast, honey. That's a good look for you.
Thanks.
Just we'll try to look at the slobber. Oh, there might be a little bit there and there.
Ugh.
Just a little bit.
It's on my car. I should have got napkins.
We should have went outside.
Probably.
I didn't realize how messy it
I
would
didn't
be.
realize it was going to be that messy.
It was great. All right, now that they got Starbucks, we got Starbucks, we can continue our adventure.
Yes, we can.
Those are the hiking trails.
That's why.
There goes Daddy. All right. We're at Dark Sky Park, right off Lake Michigan. Ooh, you're gonna go in the water. What? So it's fenced off, see, because that's where the end is. That could be an observation tower on top, maybe. Ow. Oh, you do! We both ran into something. This is what happens when we don't pay attention to what the heck we're doing. Trying to find a spot. Oh, there's a fire pit here. Trying to find a spot maybe for us to come back and enjoy Dark Sky Park at dark. The planetarium that they're building. I think they're gonna have an observatory tower. Yeah, probably. Midgy bugs everywhere. Don't you be a rebel. Oh my goodness. How far are you going? When you signs. Alright, come on, Celine. Careful. Whew. Oh, come on. Midgies. It's a nice trail. Out.
Yeah, there's construction people up there.
This side. Come on. Over here. Come on. Good job. Woohoo. Come on, Selena! She's like, but the water's over there! I know. Oh, she's gonna kick up dirt at me. Hey, 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 stop! Come on! Yeah. Just like this one spot. Come on. I gotcha. Yeah, we're not playing in that. Come on. Midgies? Stop, let's go. Celine, enough. Yeah. Poor little thing. Hey guys, get into my shoes. Yeah. Get up here, you stinker. Come on. Is there only one baby? Aw, stop. Come on. You don't even like the water. You notice she's been more keen on want to go into the water lately? Yeah. Is that weird?
A little bit.
She's always hated the water. Oh, you poo-poos!
You let the dog poop in.
Oh! Come on, my shoe went under, you poo-poo head! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, that's not cool. Come on! Got my shoe soaked. Ooh. That is the second time on this trip my foot went into Lake Michigan. Shoe and all. What?
And you got sand in there.
I know, it's wet and sandy, but that's okay. Gotta love her. You're so silly.